In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a QR code to a WordPress website. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to create a simple, easily shareable QR code that anyone can use to quickly navigate to your site. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to your WordPress website. Log into your administration dashboard. This is where you manage your website's backend, so having access to it is crucial for this process. Once you're logged in, go to your website's homepage or the specific page you'd like to generate a QR code for. Copy the URL from the address bar. This is the link that the QR code will direct users to. Next, you'll need a reliable QR code generator. There are many free options available online. Open a new tab in your browser and search for a QR code generator. Some popular choices include QR Code Generator, Canva, and QR Stuff. Choose one that suits your needs. Most have simple interfaces that allow you to create a QR code with just a few clicks. Once you have chosen a generator, paste the URL you copied into the provided field on the site. Many generators offer customization options. You can often change the color, add a logo, or adjust the frame of your QR code to match your branding. While this step is optional, customizing your QR code can make it more recognizable and visually appealing to your audience. Once you're happy with the design, proceed to generate your QR code. After generation, download the code to your computer. It's important to save this file in a location you'll remember, as you'll need to upload it to your WordPress site soon. The file is usually saved in a format like PNG or SVG, which are both suitable for website use. Depending on personal preference or the design quality, choose the format that best suits your needs. Now, let's add the QR code to your WordPress site. Head back to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page or post where you want the QR code to appear. This could be your contact page, a blog post, or even your site's footer. Click to edit the page, and look for an option to add an image. This is typically found in the block or element settings of WordPress's visual editor. Select the option to add an image, and upload the QR code file you saved earlier. Once the QR code image is uploaded, add any helpful captions or alt text to increase accessibility or provide context for those using screen readers. Then, save or publish your changes. And there you have it. Your WordPress website now has a QR code that anyone can use to access it directly. This is a fantastic way to share your site on printed materials or presentations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more easy WordPress tips and tricks.